Hi there. Just while I was packing my kit, I thought it'd be a good idea to show you some of the bags I've been using and how I'm going to store my makeup. And this bag that I got is £12 from Amazon. It's the small version and it's waterproof and it's quite sturdy. What I love about it, it's got the padding inside and it's got the compartments that you can move around, just move around to fit what you need. You've also got the area here for your brushes and pencils on the side, and then you've got the side zip compartment then to put your palette or whatever you need. So it's quite handy, and it's what I'm going to be using for my personal clients and people that I work with regularly, because then it will have all the products that I generally use on them and it won't be used on anyone else. So it's quite handy and small. The next bag I'm going to show you was £19.99. It's so beautiful, it's so light, and it's got a handle as well. So it's almost like a set bag, but I'm going to be using this for a regular celeb that I work with that is more creative and needs a lot more products to experiment. So it's quite handy because you've got all these compartments and I can just take it wherever I need to go. And everything can be sealed, locked in, easy to clean, wiped down, to be disinfected. For £20, it's not bad at all. Another way of doing my bags is just using a simple toiletry bag, like so, £4.99, something like that. I think I got this one from Superdrug. And then what I do is combine it with the stackables. So I always love buying different stackables. So these ones altogether was £6.99 that I got from Amazon. It was under the storage solutions for cosmetics, and I think these were advised for like the bathroom or something like that. So they're quite handy and they fit in the bag perfectly. So combine it together, you can see that it fits inside the bag, and I find it quite useful to separate all my products. And again, easy to clean, to disinfect with wipes or wash with soap and water. It's quite handy. So also what I like getting is organizers, little inserts. So these are great. I got them from Amazon. It's a nicer Perspex and looks like glass, but again quite sturdy. £6.99. I like them because they fit into my smaller toiletry bags, which are quite good for separating lipsticks and colour coding anything that I need to get. Or if I've got a big collection from a brand in particular or lipsticks, I tend to use pencil cases. This is a smaller one and this is a bigger one. So these are actually all concealers with a bit of lipstick, but all from the same brand, and they're quite handy for stacking in the bag, but also it keeps all your products sealed. So again, to avoid any cross-contamination and to keep it nice and clean.